From the Sutram 232 Karmani Dvitiya, we know very well that a Pratipadikam which denotes the object of an action takes the second case affix, Dvitiya Vibhaktihi. Let us now look at a Sutram which says that a Pratipadikam which denotes the object of certain actions may take the second case or the fourth case affix. The Sutram here is 2.3.12, which reads Gatyartha Karmani Dvitiya Chaturthyau Cheshtayam Anadhvani. Padacheda is Gatyartha Karmani Dvitiya Chaturthyau Cheshtayam Anadhvani. Vritti says Adhva Bhinne Gatyarthanang Karmani Dvitiya Chaturthyau Stash Cheshtayam. Staha Cheshtayam is the Padacheda. The meaning is a second case affix or a fourth case affix is used to denote the karma object of a verb implying motion. Gatyarthanam dhatunam karmani. Provided the motion is physical, cheshtayam, and the object is not advan, road, or any one of its synonyms. Anadhvani. Now, how do we get the synonyms? There's actually a small vartikam on this sutram which says advanyartha grahanam. So Katyayana says that Anadhvani does not refer to only the single Pratipadikam Advan, but also refers to any Pratipadikam which has the same meaning as that of Advan, meaning road or path or way. The example here is Gramang Gramaya Va Gacchati Athava Vrajati. Someone goes to the village. Here we do have the verbal root gam or vraj, which is in the sense of motion. Doesn't have to be the verbal root gam, can be any verbal root denoting motion. The motion is physical, and hence the Pratipadikam which denotes the object of the action, the place where the person is going, take the second case affix or the fourth case affix. Hence we get the form gramam or gramaya. Now the commentator says cheshtayam kim. Why does Panini specify cheshtayam? Let's consider the example manasa harim rajati. Someone mentally goes to Lord Vishnu, not physically but in his mind he approaches Lord Vishnu. So here there is no physical motion, so therefore Hari does not take the fourth case affix. We have to only use the second case affix by 232 Karmani Dvitiya. And to highlight the importance of Anadhvani, commentator says Anadhvani tikim panthanang gacchati. Someone travels or goes on the road. The Pratipadikam here is pathin. It's the same meaning as that of Advan, meaning road or path. Sutram specifically says Anadhvani. So here we cannot use the fourth case affix. We only have to use the second case affix by Karmani Dvitiya 232. So we get the form panthanam. Some goes on the road. With regard to this point about Anadhvani, the Siddhanta Kaumudi makes the clarification that Gantra adhishthite advanyevayan nishedha. Gantra adhishthite advani eva ayam nishedha. Which means that the prohibition, which prohibition? Anadhvani. The prohibition against using a fourth case affix when the object is advan, road, or any one of its synonyms. That prohibition only applies when the goer actually travels on the road. That is what is meant by Gantra Adhishtite Advani. Gantra is Tritiya Ekvachanam of Pratipadikam Gantru, which means the goer. Adhishtite means presided over by, occupied by, or actually on. Advani, on the road. So when the road is actually occupied by the goer, means the goer is actually on the road, he's on the road. Eva ayan nishedha. So this prohibition only applies when the goer is actually on the road. But yadatu pathat pantha eva kramitum mishyate tada chaturthi bhavatyeva. Yadatu utpathat panthaha eva akramitum ishyate tada chaturthi bhavati eva, which means that when someone desires to approach the right road, which is panthaha, from a wrong road, utpathat. Utpatha is a wrong road. The fourth case ending certainly applies, because here the traveler, the goer, is not on the road. He is trying to approach that road from a wrong road. Hence we have the sentence Utpathena panthanam athava pathe gacchati. Someone goes to the right road by the wrong road. someone who is on the wrong road is trying to get to the right road. Since the person is not currently on the right road, pathin may take the second case affix or the fourth case affix. But if the traveler is already on the road, we have to say panthanam gacchati. We cannot say pathe gacchati in that situation. So this clarifies exactly how the exclusion anadhvani applies.